Seekers. All day. Coming on in. Orcutt Donut Derelicts. Number 17. Parking lot's filling up. All the rat rods, classics, street racers. Do a little walk around here and see what we got. One good looking ride right there. The Light Car Club. Your Morgan. Convertible. Cool little truck. Nice. Love the flames on this one. Sweet looking ride. Road Adventure Seekers. Toys for Tots. December 8th. Put it on your calendar. Corner of Clark and Bradley. Bring what you got. We want to see your ride. Might win something. Free to enter. Bring whatever you got. Hyde and Ray put you into the drawing. 10 o'clock. Give away some nice stuff. Nice little quick 2-hour car show. We got Ida's 37 Business Coupe. The 350 Stroker. Sweet looking ride. A 68 Camaro. Built from the ground up. Built, not bought. 68, homemade, not store bought. What else we got over here? Yeah, the Headliner Special. Tell you what, check this one out. Looks like it needs a little love, but it's still on the road, hanging in there. Nice looking Ford. Love the silver and black. Looking ride, man. Get you one or two. And the International KB1. Brand new engine, brand new transmission. Body doesn't show it off, but everything else is ready to rumble. So what else got here? A little street racer action. See what this is. Mazda. Nice air cleaner on that thing. Alright. Major mini bike boys. Ready for action. Even carry spare parts. Got a couple spare carburetors just in case. Never know. Good looking Camaro. I like that. Fun little ride. Street racers, ready for Fox and Canyon Road action. Got all types of rides out here, folks. No matter what you got, we want to see it. So bring it on down. Cool little red and white Volkswagen truck. Don't see those around too much. Highly collectible though. Nice looking ride. Got over here. It's like Ken's 32 to me. Awesome machine. Like that. School pickup trucks. Pretty nice. School Ford done up right. Like the paint job on this one. Black, red highlights. You look fast. Sitting there. The Beatniks. Beatnik shifter. Custom paint job. Yeah. Hippie ride. Beatniks, everything. Yeah. The Beatniks from Coolsville. I know, I like that silver metal flake top. That's one cool looking ride. And we got the Chevy Impala SS Central Coast Cruisers. Nice looking ride. Street racing craziness. Turbo action. roll cage, movable steering wheel, fire extinguishers. Might need it. Cool little Baja truck, custom made. Like that. Nice shocks. Ready for rock run on that. 2015 Slingshot SL. Fun little machine. Where you want to go in style. Cool looking Chevy truck. Apache 31. Love that green. The Baja Bug action. Custom. And the Fuel Hog. Good old Gruesome Newsome. It's going to raise our gasoline rates for another $1 or so just for the fun of it. All right. What's that? Fuel Hog. What a sweet machine. Pedro. Love the paint job on this one. Fun looking ride. Did a good job on that Chevy truck. Got some Camaro action. Good looking paint job on that. Nice stance. Nice tire. Nice little 327 El Camino. Ready to roll. Little GTO action. Always a nice, highly desirable car. One of my favorites. Dragster car, the Holland A. Love the paint job. Love the exposed engine look. It's one cool looking ride. You need it. School Chevrolet Bel Air. Nice looking ride. The Galaxy. Love that lowered stance. Love that silver metallic. One fun looking ride, I tell you what. Again, love the paint job on this one. These flames pop. Good looking custom truck. Shined up. Ready to go. Have the Toad cruising in. My favorite little machines. Toad. Little Manx action. That's one Pismo ready machine right there, folks. Have some fun with that. Driver, check out that air cleaner. Cleaner's going out. That car. I know. Check out those head bolts, man. That thing. You don't see too many two-door Couriers out there, that's for sure. 52 action. Good looking Z06 Corvette. That's the way to get your donuts right there. Nice looking car. Gray with the black. Sweet. Okay, puppies. What do you think? You're just so cute. Yes, you are. Uh-oh. We got the dog fight. Got the dog fight going on. Some good looking Ford Mustang. 289. Fat Iron Fred. Love the Ghost Flames color on this truck. That all tubbed out in the back. Beautiful. Great job on this. Fat Iron action. Another beautiful custom truck. Chevy's done up right. Like it. Everything's been customized. If you don't like Chevys, get yourself a 59 Ford. That's another one that's dialed in from the ground up. Like that. Get a little Mercedes, throw yourself a 427 Chevy engine in that thing. Yeah. Put a little reliability in my Mercedes. Yeah. 1950 Chevrolet Bel Air, orange, cream color, 56, 300 station wagon, customized rear window. Nice ride. Another beautiful Chevy truck like that. We got an Oldsmobile body on the Corvette, engine and frame. Took him years to put this together, but it was worth it. One sweet ride. Alright, adventure seekers, get yourself on out here the weekend, as long as it's not raining. Get yourself a donut. Show us your car, truck, motorcycle, we don't care, bicycle. Bring it on out. If it's got wheels and power, we want to see it. Alright, stay tuned for more Little Bob's Craziness. Another good looking El Camino rolled in. Love that color. Nice. Mustang action. Old school. Cool. Alright, adventure seekers.
Well,
We got the beast.
95
Okay, how'd you put this Frankenstein together? It's a 95 what?
95 Nissan 240 SX. We've got a 06 GTO motor, LS1, 5.7 liter, T56 6-speed. Internals have been done. Got bigger 1,000-pound injectors. Chinese turbo. Who cares? Chinese is fast. 10 pounds, 600 horsepower.
600 horsepower. No wonder you need the roll cage.
3,000-pound car. Got a Boss body kit from Rocket Bunny, and other than that, she's a fast ripper.
She's a fast ripper, huh? Yeah, and you put the fender flares and got the extra wide back tires.
Got the super wide back tires.
Hey, Blazer boy!
Laser guy.
My neighbors. All right.
Your neighbor?
Used to be. They moved, but yeah, nice.
Other than that,
It's one fun little machine.
definitely a fun machine. Feels like a little go-kart.
Yeah.
Lots of power, a lot of noise.
Lots of power, lots of noise.
For life.
That looks fun. All right, keep it under 100.
Yes, sir.
All right, got the K5 Blazer crowd cruising in. Hey, how you doing? How come you always have the cool cars? You ever sell that Cadillac?
Yes.
All right, another nicely done up K5 Blazer. Love the rims and tires. Interiors nicely restored. Thing sounded good too. 5.3 liter Vortec. Pismo machine. There in style. Nice looking shocks. Adventure seekers, you need yourself one. K5. Right. Got the Mash Mobile. It's cool. Jeepster, get you Ford action. Actually, not a Jeep, it's a Ford. Radical. Get you anywhere you want to go. That's for sure. 1944. Yowza. Nice. Good looking Mustang. Love the blue race stripes action. Fun little ride. Cool truck. Custom 10 Deluxe Chevy. Throw any engine you want on that beast. Another serious cruiser. Guadalupe machine. 33 Supporter Nomad. Oldsmobile action. Looking good. Love that shifter. Just in case you need a 70-mile-an-hour mini bike. 75 at least. But who's counting? Once you're over 65 on something like that, you just hang on for dear life. Yeah. A true adventure machine right here. Cool chopper action. Looks like fun. Don't like that. Canala's Motorcycle Club. Sweet looking chopper. 66 Nova. How many miles you got on it now?
From like an uncle, 2 houses away from me. It's 30 years old and got 30 miles. When I bought it.
30 years old with 40 miles. You got like what, 700 now?
When I bought it, it was 30 years
Yeah.
old and had 30 miles on it.
But you got like 700 now, huh? You're driving it.
We'll turn 700 today.
All right.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm still breaking it.
I'm glad you're out there using it. 350 SS Nova. 700 original miles, 1966. Red Corvette, old school. Sneak it in on me. Make sure I get that one. Good looking ride. Central Coast Cruisers. Ice cream. Oh, Chevy Impala. Nice stance. Love the red and white. One good looking cruiser. Stands out. See that thing coming for a while. Nice. The Chevy Bel Airs. Rolling on in. Love that. Jet black. Hard to keep clean, but it sure looks good when it is. 1956. Fun. Got over here. Good looking GTO. 1966. Stylish. Fun car to drive. Get you where you need to go in a serious hurry. Right, keep sneaking in on me. 1915 Ford Model T touring car. Kinda like that. Looks like we had a couple more Volkswagen buses coming in. Little Hawaii action. Right, what's got over here? Snuck in on me late in the game. Check on this bad 392. Check out the graphics on this one. Oh man, carbon fiber. Look at those seats. Ay caramba. That is one awesome Dodge 392 Whipple. They're out. Fox and Canyon Road, beware. Racers are out today. And that is one good looking SRT. I like that.